Status quo. Status quo is any foreign policy aimed at maintaining the existing international territorial, ideological, or power distribution. A status quo policy is basically conservative and defensive in nature, hence, a state will pursue such a policy if it enjoys an advantageous position in world politics, and seeks stability rather than change, so as to maximize its existing advantages. The Soviets, for instance, defined the status quo in the world in terms of indigenous revolutionary change toward the Marxist-inspired historical victory of communism. Unlike most status quo, revisionist configurations, each side in the great power rivalry regards the other as an imperialist threat to its subjectively defined status quo interests.